Hello students, how you all? Welcome back again. Today I am taking very important topic that is called calendar. This topic is important for NTSC as well as different competitive exams. Today we'll discuss which kind of question asked in exam and how to solve them. I will give you a trick or a method for solving this type of calendar question. After watching this video, I am completely sure 100% that you will be able to solve all the question related to calendar. So let's start with some basics. So now we are starting with year. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, 1 year 365 days is called non-leap year. Non-leap year also. Okay, 365 days means 52 week plus 1 day. So this 1 day is called what? One odd day. One odd day for non-leap year. Now when we talk about leap year, year which is divisible by year which is divisible by 4 is called leap year. Okay, leap year has 366 days. Leap year has 360 days. That means 52 week plus 2 days means जब भी नॉन लीप ईयर आए तो विल से क्या 2 odd days we have for leap year. Okay, so how to identify the leap year? Now any year, suppose 1996 is divisible by 4, so yes, leap year, yes, it is leap year. Okay, 1995 is not divisible by 4, not divisible, so non leap year. Okay, so when we talk about century which is divisible by 400, then only leap year, otherwise not. Okay, for example, suppose I am talking about 1600 century. 1600 is divisible by 4 completely, remainder is coming 0, so yes, leap year. 1600 is leap year. Okay, when we talk about 1700 upon 400, so 14 cancel, then after not divisible, so it is not leap year, it is non leap year. Under to same like 1900, this is also non leap year when we divide by 400, so non leap year. Understood now? तो ये ध्यान रखना कि लास्ट में डबल जीरो देख के ना डोंट से दिस इज लीप ईयर. Understood? They are not divisible by 400 means non leap year. Okay, so on this page we have two more information, that is non leap year is having one odd day, leap year is having two odd day. Clear? Write down this everyone. Till now we discussed about year. After year what is coming? Month. Okay, so we'll write down all the month like January, February, in short you can write March, April. Okay, I have written all the months. Now we have to learn few codes. This we have to remember, or you can use your own trick how to learn. Okay, so I am telling my trick. So I have 12 month. 12 month means 12 square, yani 144. So here will be the code for January 144. Okay, after 4 is coming 5. 5 square is 25. So here code will be 025. After 5 what is coming? 6. 6 square is 36. So here code for 036. In same way you can write here 146. These are the code. Okay, for trick we have to remember these codes. according to, you can use your own trick how to remember, but for January 1, for February 4, for March 4, for April 0 to 5, in this way you have to remember. So after completing these month, next thing is coming in our mind, that will be days. There are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. For this also you have to remember the code. For Sunday we are taking 0 or 7. For Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, Friday 5 and Saturday 6. Understood? Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Write down till here. Then we'll discuss about centuries. Now for centuries, how to remember the code? Whenever you are solving question, you can write down in this way, like 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 18, 19, 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, or you can write down this side or this side decreasing order, this side increasing order. You have to remember how to code. How to remember the code for this: 6 times 420. 6 times 420. That means whenever this century is coming, code will be 6, 4, 2, 0. In this way you have to write down. Clear? So write down these things, or you should remember, please. Whenever you practice more and more question, then it will learn to you. Okay? So here one NTSC question I am discussing. NTSC. Which two month which two month which 2 month same calendar has same calendar which 2 month has same calendar? Okay, so how you can give here direct answer? That will be April and July. In any year you observe, April or July is having the same calendar year. Now here see, code is 0 here, or here also 0. Understood? They both are having the same calendar. I will show you the calendar also. Now you can see this calendar. If you observe the April month, 129, April, or I told July, same, 2 9 30, 3 10 27. They both the calendar are same for 2018. If you take 2019, then also you feel. And one more calendar, January and, okay, you can see the code January or October. January and October, they both are also the same calendar. Understood? So this question you can solve directly. This question asked in NTSC also. As per the option, you have to give the answer. First one is April and July, and second you can say January and October. Okay, if you observe, the code is the same. Someone will say, sir, Feb or March is also the same code. Okay, so here February is not come same, you all know, because here 28 days and sometime 29 days. But March and November will be same. But will be same. Their code is also same. Here code is 00, here code is 11, here code is 4 and 4. Understood? Now we'll take few more question. Now the question for which you are waiting. Okay, suppose I am taking any date like 15 September 2019. Okay, on this date which day? On this date which day? So how to find? Please follow the step. I will split this. 15 plus September plus 2000 plus 19 plus number of leap year. Okay, you have to also follow the same trick. Divided by 7. Now we'll put up all the code. 15 as it is. Okay, code for September is 6. Okay, code for 2000 from here. 6. Okay, this 19 as it is. Now number of leap year. Number of leap year, how to find? 19 divided by 4. 19 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16. Remainder will be 3. So number of complete leap year will be 4. So we'll take 4 year. Okay. Then divide by 7. Then divide by 7. Clear? So when you add this 15, 6 plus 6, you will get 50 by 7. Now write in mixed fraction. In terms of mixed fraction, 7 sevens are 49, 1 by 7. So day, how to find the day? Day will be your remainder minus 1. Day you have to find remainder minus 1. Remainder is 1 minus 1 is coming 0. 0 is code for what? 0 is code for Sunday. So that day you will be having the Sunday. You can take your calendar, mobile calendar, or check and confirm. That day will be the Sunday. Okay, write down this. Then I will take one more example. Now one more example, that will be the date, present date 23 November 2020. 23 November 2020. So how to split? We'll split 23 plus November plus 2000, okay, plus 20 plus number of leap year, plus number of leap year. Clear? I am not rubbing this because it will help you to solve. When you do more practice, you will be able to remember. Clear? Now when you put the code 23 as it is, November code will be 4, 2000 code will be 6, 20 as it is. Now number of leap year, 20 divided by 4. So 4 5s are, remainder will not take, will take only question. So it will be 5 leap year, then divided by 7. Divided by 7. When you add this, so this will give you 58 by 7. 58 by 7, 8 7 8 7 8 are 56. Remainder will be 2 by 7. So remainder is 2 here. So day will be here. Day is what? Remainder minus 1. So 2 minus 1, or 1 is the code for Monday. 1 is the code for Monday. So that day you have Monday. Understood? Now I will take my date of birth. You can also take your date of birth and find out. So now I am taking my date of birth. Next question. That will be 22 December 1989. 1989. Now quickly you all try with your date of birth. No problem, you can take my date of birth also. I will not say anything. Okay, so now start. So 22 plus December plus 1900 plus 89 plus number of leap year. Number of leap year. Okay, divided by 7. Okay, so put the code 22. December code will be 6. 1900 code will be from here. 1900 code will be 0 plus 89 plus number of leap year. Number of leap year you have to find. So how to find? When you divide this 89 by 4. 89 by 4. So you will get 22. It will be 88. So 1 is remainder. So how many times completely divisible by 22 divided by 7. Okay, so when we divide, we'll get 139 by 7. Then 7 ones are 7 nines are 6, remainder 7. So day will be what? Remainder minus 1. Remainder is 6 minus 1. Yani 5. 5 is the code for Friday. That means on which day I was born? On Friday. Now you can find your you can take your date of birth and find the day. You can ask your parents date of birth and let them surprise. Okay, on this day you will be born. You was born. Okay, so write down. So I hope you will be able to solve all the question related to calendar. Now write down one more point. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday TTS cannot be last day of century. ओके, सेंचुरी का लास्ट डे ट्यूसडे थर्सडे सैटरडे नहीं होगा. तो दिस पॉइंट यू रिमेंबर, दिस पॉइंट कैन बी आस्क्ड डायरेक्टली. I hope you all understood the concept. You should remember this code. Okay, whenever questions are coming, you can write down the code also as per your requirement, which you are not able to remember. Clear? So solve many more questions related to this. Share this video with your friends also. So bye, tata, take care.